What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, guys, I had to put the end of the video at the beginning because, we got a lot to talk about. I tried Naptural85 DIY homemade sea moss gel. Alright guys, yes, you heard me correctly. I did try her gel. In the clips to follow, you're going to be seeing a full step-by-step walkthrough of how exactly I made the gel. Have Naptural85 on the screen making her gel as well, and I can even show you guys the final results. It is super creamy, super thick, like OMG. Look at that, guys. Look how thick it is. Like, that's crazy. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right on into these clips. I'm going to be talking a little bit more about sea moss, the health benefits of it for your hair. Not only are we going to be making the sea moss, but we'll be using it in the shower and we'll be styling with it as well. So we have a lot to go over. Without further ado, let's just hop right on in. Alright guys, I'm pulling this recipe right from Naptural85 herself. I've already soaked up 1 cup of sea moss overnight. Now the sea moss should expand as we'll be melting this over the stove. I did drain all the excess water, poured more filtered water on top until all the sea moss was covered in a small saucepan. You'll want to stir your ingredients often. I believe it helps melt more easily. Now the reason I love sea moss is because it's considered a superfood and will work wonders for your hair. Sea moss carries 98 of the 102 minerals that we need in our body. Now once the sea moss is ready, it'll be nice and thick. I'll be adding in a few more ingredients. I'm gonna first start off with my homemade oil. Now this is a DIY that you guys can check out on my Instagram. It includes coconut oil, aloe vera oil, essential oils, and avocado oils as well. I am also going to take 1/2 cup of water just to make it a little bit more manageable, and we're going to blend this all together in the NutriBullet. You'll know it's ready when it has a creamy, silky consistency. Now let's take this to the shower and hop on into our wash day. Alright, what's up guys? I am out of the shower and y'all, might I add, that was a fun experience. I always have a good time when I'm using the Melanin Haircare products. I did go in with her African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo, and then for my deep conditioner I used my favorite Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask from Shea Moisture. So these are the two products that I went in with in the shower, and now I'm ready to start the styling process. I'm going to be, of course, using the Melanin Haircare. I'm going to go in with her multi-use softening leave-in cream, and then I'll follow up with the Twist elongating cream right here. And then we're going to be topping it off with our Sea Moss gel that we just copied from Naptural85. I think I made mine's like too thick, y'all. Like, it's a little thick. It ain't really coming out. Y'all see it? She definitely said it gets thick. And it got thick, so we're gonna be using that on top. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it doesn't flake my hair. I'm so nervous. I don't want it to flake at all. But let's go ahead and take down the towel. Y'all already know I always leave the shower with a plastic bag or a plastic cap on my head just to lock in all that moisture. So I'm gonna take this off. And bam. Alright guys, so I am going to start in the back. So we are first going to start with her leave-in conditioner. Just a couple pumps right here. It is so moisturizing. You really don't need a lot. And it smells so good. I love the smell of mint. I always smell like clean and minty when I'm using her products. Curls are already starting to come through just with that one product. I love it. All right guys, so this is the Twist elongating cream. I'm gonna go in with this next. Here it is right here. I love this stuff. It is so creamy. Oh, perfect. Melts right in. And even though it's white, it just goes on clear. Like, it just sucks into your hair strands, which I really, really enjoy. Alright, so I feel like that is all in there. Wow, that's crazy, y'all. The definition is already starting to come through. Alright, so here we go, guys. Here is your gel. Let's just dip our fingers in here. Like, this is real, y'all. I'm actually gonna just mix it up. Wow, this is gooey. Alright guys, here we go. Is this too much? Ah. It's all on my ear. Oh gosh. Wow. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. I like how this feels. Yeah, I hope it does not flake on me, y'all. If it flakes, we're gonna have an issue. But it feels like it's just going on. I love how saturated my hair is feeling. I think this is going to be a good wash day. Get our little wash and go poppin'. Definitely brought back some definition to my hair, which I am feeling that. Alright, so let's first start with this leave-in conditioner right here. You really don't need too much, guys. This product is really hydrating. So silky. I love, love, love the Melanin Haircare. It smells so good. Alright, so the leave-in's in there. Now I'm going in with the cream. Got a little bit of the cream. Love me a good thick cream. Alright, now let's start with the gel again. Here's the gel, guys. I love how much slip it has. Like, natural products just work so effortlessly in my hair. Anything that's like 100% natural, just like this Sea Moss gel, I think it's gonna work for me. Oh, it's crazy. I just love that everything is clear. Like, sometimes when I put products on, it's white still and it takes a while to really soak it in. Right. So you guys want to see a before and after. Alright, so here is the side that's completely finished. I just have to wait for it to dry. And here's the side that is untouched so far. Look at the difference, guys. So we're going to go ahead and just get this out the way. And we're going to start applying product to the other side so we can make them look even. Alright, y'all, so you just seen me apply all the products. I do have a ton left. So because there's no preservatives in here, I am gonna have to store this in the refrigerator. I'm not gonna keep it past like a few days just because, again, there's no preservatives, so I know that it's not gonna last too long. So just make enough if you can for one use. I only used like a half a cup of Sea Moss, and it still came out like a lot. I feel like it expanded or something. Like, I'm not exactly sure what happened, but this is how much I have left, and there's a lot in there. And I'm also going to sit under a hooded blow dryer to allow this to dry, and when it's fully dry, I'll come back and I'll kind of debrief and give you guys like my final reveal, my final results. If it is, as always, Aleia approved, we gonna see y'all. Look at that definition. I know y'all see that little curve right there. I know y'all see the little curl. Look at that definition. It's coming through, y'all. So we are just going to let this dry, and then I'll be back to show you guys my final results soon. Alright, what's up, guys? So I am back. It's the next day, and I think my hair is fully dry. I think I used too much because when I was done blow drying my hair last night, it was a little flaky. It was a little flaky, so I tried to save it. I put water on it, I put oil on it, and I feel like I just did more harm than good. I think I used too much gel. Let's just see how this looks. Y'all ready? Alright, here's the big reveal, guys. Alright, okay. Alright. So this is what we're working with. It definitely is like 95% dry. I can definitely feel it's a little bit wet in the front still. Let's see if I can get this to look okay. Probably cannot see in the camera, but there definitely are flakes in my hair. They're pretty noticeable in my opinion. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like Flake City, y'all. I love the definition. Like, I'm loving the definition and the shine. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Wow. I love me a good wash and go, honey. So this is the product right here that I did use, y'all. There's the product right there. It's like slowly but surely sliding out. Trying to come out, y'all. But it's super thick. Like thick. But these are the final results, guys. Comment below and let me know what you think. I am feeling it. My hair feels light, airy, defined. And then as the days prolong, it's going to get like a really big and poofy, which I love. I don't really like day one hair. Too flat for me, girl. I need some volume, honey. I'm happy. Comment below and let me know if you guys like my results, if you guys think that this worked, if you're going to try this at home. So guys, if you want to see more awesome videos where I do homemade DIYs, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. Don't forget to like and share this video. I really hope Whitney sees it, and I want you to know that I absolutely loved it. I just think I used a little bit too much, and it did cause a little bit of flaking, but I loved it and I would definitely do it again, and it certainly is, as always, Aleia approved. You get 4 A's from me, girl. But without further ado, I am going to let you guys go. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.